Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job and looking for a fun and easy way to make money from home? Well, what if we told you that you could earn $25 per hour by simply listening to music? That's right. In this video, we'll show you how to make money online in 2023 by listening to music. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another exciting video where we show you how to make money online in 2023. In today's video, we'll show you how to earn $25 per hour by simply listening to music. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money just by listening to music. So, if you're someone who loves listening to music, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. So, how does it work? There are websites and apps that pay you to listen to music and provide feedback. These websites and apps are hired by musicians and record labels to get feedback on their new songs before they release them. Your job is to listen to the songs and provide your honest opinion on them. The more songs you listen to, the more money you can make. Here are some websites and apps that pay you to listen to music. Slice the Pie. This website pays you to listen to music and provide detailed feedback. You can earn up to 15 cents per song, and the payment is made through PayPal. Music X-Ray. This platform pays you to listen to new music and provide your feedback. You can earn up to 10 cents per song, and the payment is made through PayPal. RadioEarn. This website pays you to listen to online radio stations. You can earn up to 5 cents per hour, and the payment is made through PayPal. Hit Predictor. This platform pays you to listen to new songs and predict their success. You can earn up to 5 cents per song, and the payment is made through PayPal. Research.fm. This website pays you to listen to music and provide feedback. You can earn up to 25 cents per minute, and the payment is made through PayPal. So, these are some of the websites and apps that pay you to listen to music. If you enjoy listening to music and want to make some extra money, then give these websites and apps a try. Remember, the more songs you listen to, the more money you can make. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.